This is our Gingerbread 2024 tabletop release. We are so excited about this because there's so many options. You can really mix and match and create your own unique table setting. So let's start with the base and how we would set our table first. We would choose a really great table runner. And we have two options for you this year: the super cute checked, and then also the gingerbread village. So you would lay these on first, and I love these down the center of the table, but they're also really great for when you're decorating gingerbread houses and you want to keep your table safe and clean from all that frosting and the smushed candy. So lay these out, and then because they're paper, you can throw them away after. So two great options there. And then on top of that, we would start with a base plate. This year we have this really adorable gingerbread village on the light background with the gold foiling edge detailing it. We also have the shaped gingerbread house plate. It is so cute on its own, but it would also look really fantastic layered on that dinner plate. And then we have three napkin options this year. So we have a really cute little gingerbread tower, super cute and tall dinner-shaped napkin. We also have a gingerbread girl that we've added this year, so we've got the boy and the girl option, as well as the super cute checked dinner napkin. And this could go great with so many things, but it especially looks good with the gingerbread. We also have two cup options. So we have a hot to go cup with that lighter scalloped background and the cute little gingerbread man. And then we have this new party cup option. So it's a super cute little gingerbread house with a little gingerbread man for the handle, which is so fun and adorable. We know everyone's going to love these. So pick your favorite, mix and match, set a really fun festive table that is gingerbread themed this holiday season.